सब्सक्राइब कीजिए हमारे श्रेया कंप्यूटर चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए लेटेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
Hi friends, my name is Shyam and you're watching Shreya Computer Tech Channel. Friends, today there is the good news for Lenovo K6 and Lenovo K6 power users. The brand new Android Oreo 8.1 LineageOS has been released. The version of this ROM has been LineageOS 15 and the date of 26 November 2017. Pretty good, much more changes has been done in this LineageOS. The app's performance has been improved as the brilliant stages and that according to we see in the notification area and the app list and the settings criteria. Mostly segregation has been done in the Android Oreo 8.1. Friends, I will give you the link description of this latest ROM version which of last date has been updated 26/11/2017 and the LineageOS version is 15. Friends, before we need to install this ROM, 3 conditions has been enabled in your phone. The first condition is developer mode option has been enabled and the second condition is the bootloader has been unlocked in your phone and the third condition the custom recovery, whereas the TWRP or any other recovery has been successfully installed on your phone. Friends, the LineageOS is the leading custom ROM developer in according to all custom ROM developers. No personal customization has been done in LineageOS. Let's get started to install this LineageOS 15 Android Oreo 8.1 on your Lenovo K6 power. Friends, we booted our phone into TWRP recovery mode by pressing volume up and down and power button and the home screen appears like this type. At this home screen, we need to first of all take our valuable backup before we need to do update this ROM. Click on backup, select boot, recovery, system, data and modem. Simply swipe right to backup. It will take some time but it is mostly better for us. After it will done successfully, then we need to go simply press on back. When it comes to the home screen, we are going to install the stock ROM. Click on install. Friends, before installing the stock ROM, we need to wipe our temporary cache and Dalvik. Simply click on wipe and we have to show what actually we have to go wipe. Select Dalvik, system, data and cache. After selecting these, simply swipe right to format. After our data successfully wiped, we need to go back to home screen. Click on back. At final we have to go into install a stock ROM. Click on install. Here you can find a LineageOS 15.0 which is built 26 November 2017. Select this ROM and simply swipe right to install this ROM. After it will install successfully, friends, here we can going to install a GApps. Simply go to back, select here GApps. Friends, I will choose the nano version of GApps which is very lighter and fastly installed. Click on this GApps and simply swipe right to install. Friends, the versions of in these GApps has been called Stock, Aroma, Nano, Pico. You can choose your GApps according to your needed. Here we can find our GApps has been successfully installed. Then final, we have to wipe our temporary data cache. It's the most important to reboot our phone successfully. Click on wipe cache and swipe right to wipe the data. Friends, here our data has been wiped. The ROM was successfully installed. Friends, I will meet you after my phone completely reboot on desktop. Friends, here is the desktop of my Lenovo K6 power. The Android version is 8.1.1. I will show you at the end of this video about this phone properties. Friends, here is the notification area which we can compare the Android Nougat. The background and the foreground has been changed in Android Oreo 8.1. In previous of Nougat, we can find the background color is black and the foreground color is white. The Oreo 8.1, the background and foreground were changed in reverse mode. When we look up into the settings area, in settings area there has been mode synchronizing had been done. The most of settings has been related is arranged in one setting area. Like when we have to go in network and internet sharing, we can find in this criteria Wi-Fi, mobile data, using hotspot, something like that. And we can look up into connected device, the Bluetooth, cast, NFC. These are all found in connected device. The apps permissions, default apps, these are arranged in apps and notifications. And the wallpaper, sleep size, font size, display size, these are all arranged in display. And the volume, vibration, do not disturb, these are all arranged in sound. According to storage, the every and each and app which will take in the storage, and we can here the arrange the limit of the storage. These are all arranged in the storage option. At the final, friends, I will show you the properties of my Lenovo K6 device. Friends, here you can refer my model number Lenovo K33A42 with the Android version 8.1.0, and the security patch has been updated as 26 November 2017. The only one, a LineageOS, which can update their security patches in twice in a month, and the kernel version has been latest updated on Saturday November 26. Friends, if your stock ROM is not allowed to update Oreo, then you can is better chance to port this LineageOS. Very simple techniques, do not need to any other supports. Simple enable developer option, unlock bootloader and install DWRP. Then you can choose any OS as your setting in your mind. So friends, hope you like this video. If you like this video, so please press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel. I will give you a regular basis update on this video in below description. You may find it direct and make any suggestions to me. Thank you friends. Bye bye friends.